everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Bendingo mobile banking application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To download Bendingo mobile banking app on your Android device, tap Open your Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and give it a tap. Now type in Bendingo Bank app and make a search. You'll be able to find the application displayed in the top on the next page. Tap on the application and you'll be able to see further information about the app. To get the app installed right away on your Android device, tap on the install button in green. Wait until the app gets installed and after a few seconds, you'll be able to see an open button popping up, which means your application has been downloaded and installed and is ready for use. Tap on Open to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Bendingo mobile banking application on your Android device. Simply go ahead and type in your access ID, your security token, along with your password and log into your account right away. Bendingo Bank is an Australian financial institution operating primarily in retail banking. With the application installed on your mobile devices, you can get easy access to your account right away, wherever you are and whenever you want. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.